So again, you will get two live views, one regular live view and the other one is the thermal live view. Please note that the temperature measurement feature is not available on the VMS. So you will have to access the web interface to use the temperature measurement feature. Okay, let's go to the configuration. So the TMEB 5800 camera is actually an AI camera. So if you go to the event settings here, you'll see the line crossing and region intrusions here. And you can also distinguish the human or motor vehicle, just like the PVD feature on the VMS 18. But the highlight feature is definitely the fire detection and the temperature measurement for this camera. So let's go through the fire detections first. So you can configure cameras to trigger various alarms when a fire is detected. And you can also set up the schedules for the fire detection, which is pretty straightforward, nothing too hard to understand here. And let's go back to the fire detection. And the second feature is the temperature measurements here. So again, you can create schedules for the temperature measurements. And for the area, you can see that we have defined 3 different kinds of temperature measurements. So for the first one, we have drawn a line here, which is the line you just see in the live view. It will measure the hottest point on the line and the coldest point on the line and the average temperature on this line. So let's go back to the live view. So you can see that the hottest point on the line here is the monitor here, and the lowest temperature here. The lowest temperature is here. It's 25 degrees Celsius, and you will get your average temperature here. You can also configure the camera to trigger alarm for the temperature. So, for example, if I set up the camera to trigger alarm if the maximum temperature is higher than 20 degrees Celsius. And if I click OK here and click Save, and when we go back to the live view here, you will see that the thermal icon here is flashing, which means that the camera, the temperature alert has been triggered.